Greetings all. Welcome to episode number 37 of Monday Morning Motivation, and this is Subramanian Chandramouli, and let me tell you a story today from Mahabharata. Brothers Lord Krishna and Balrama were going on a travel. So they were staying in a forest in the night and they made a deal. So one of them will awake and take care for the protection, the other person will sleep. So first Balrama was awake and Krishna was sleeping. And when Balrama was awake and looking after, a demon came. He was around 12 feet height and said that, hey, who are you? I am the king of this particular jungle and you are in my territory without my permission. Just get out from here. And Balram was scared, and the moment the demon saw that Balram was scared, it grew in size. So after 1 hour, it came back again. This time he was 25 feet height. And again he asked, hey, I told you to go away. What are you doing now? You are still not there. Balram got really scared and he fainted. And before fainting, he shouted, Krishna! And then he fainted. Krishna woke up and he thought, oh my God, my time has gone. Actually, I have to take care of the protection now. But that's why Balram has called my name and he is sleeping. Krishna thought he is sleeping. And he saw there was a 25 feet demon in front of him. So the demon asked Krishna, hey, who are you? I told you to go away from this forest, get lost. Krishna saw the demon and asked, hey, who are you, man? Who are you to ask me to go away? This is nature, this forest, I will stay here. Okay, next time I should not see you. The moment the demon saw Krishna's courage, it reduced in size and became 12 feet and it went away. So after 1 hour, again the demon came and asked Krishna, hey, you are still here, you have not gone. Krishna told, buddy, I am not going to go away from here. I am going to take rest. My brother is sleeping. I should not see you. Just get lost. Then the demon saw Krishna's courage and again reduced to the size of the normal human being. And after 1 hour, again the demon came in the normal human being size and asked Krishna, hey, you are still not living this place. Lord Krishna said, I don't know what I'm going to do. Just don't come to this place. Next time if I see you, I don't know what I will do. Seeing Krishna's courage, the demon now shrink and further become like a small doll, like a toy. So Krishna thought, I will not allow this guy. He just took the toy and put it in his pocket and the entire night went. The next day morning, Balram woke up and told Krishna about the entire story about the demon. Then Krishna asked, hey, you are talking about this demon? And he just stored the toy in his pocket. So friends, don't worry about the logic of this story, whether it's happened or not, but let's take the learning from this story. The problems we are facing in life is like the demon. If you fear about the problem, it grew in size. If you courageously face the problem, it shrinks in size. So if you conquer the fear, you conquer the life, you conquer the world. Let's conquer fear and have a great life. That's a message for today. I know we have exceeded the timing. Have a great Monday morning and have a wonderful week ahead. Thank you.